In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Hostinger hosting. Whether you're launching a new website or looking for a reliable hosting provider, Hostinger is a fantastic option due to its affordability and ease of use. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, take a look at the top menu and find the Websites option. Clicking on this will present you with several hosting plans. Hostinger offers a range tailored to different needs, whether you're just starting out or need more robust features. Spend a moment reviewing each plan to see what fits your requirements and budget. It's always a good idea to look at what each plan offers in terms of storage, bandwidth, and any additional features like free domain names or SSL certificates. Once you've settled on a plan that meets your needs, click on it to proceed to the next step. You'll now be prompted to choose your billing period. Hostinger typically gives you options ranging from monthly to multi-year plans. While it might be tempting to go for a shorter-term option to save money initially, consider the benefits of a longer commitment. Extended periods often come with significant discounts and they lock in your rate, protecting you from potential price increases in the future. It's worth doing a bit of math to see what works best for you over time. After selecting the billing period that suits your needs, the next thing you need to do is choose a payment method. Hostinger provides various options, including credit and debit cards, PayPal, and sometimes even more localized payment methods depending on your country. Selecting a payment option that you're comfortable with is key. Remember to consider the security features it offers and any potential fees that might be associated with particular methods. With your payment method chosen, it's time to enter your card details. This process is quite straightforward. Simply input the necessary information such as your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. It's always prudent to double-check this information to avoid any errors that could delay your purchase. And there you have it. Remember to review all your selections before finalizing the purchase. Make sure your plan, billing period, and payment information are correct to ensure a smooth transition forward. Once everything looks good, confirm your purchase and Hostinger will guide you through setting up your new hosting account. Hostinger even offers a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can confidently get started, knowing you're well supported. We hope this guide has been helpful and you feel ready to launch your website with Hostinger. Thanks for watching.